United Way says that in Brown County, 1 in 3 people are living either in poverty or they're struggling to make ends meet. NBC 26's Ryan Curry talks to a woman who says she is behind those numbers.
Sometimes it looks hard and bleak, but I know that, in the end, it always seems to just, go through.
Angela Cadena spends a lot of time volunteering at Manna for Life. She has spent most of her life struggling financially and living below the poverty line, to the point where she thought things would never get better. There was times where depression just, took over, and I don't allow that anymore. According to the United Way, around 34% of Brown County is experiencing poverty or living just above the poverty line. That same number also applies to Manitowoc County. And in Outagamie County, 30% are struggling financially. Those numbers were presented to dozens at the YWCA Wednesday, where they had a poverty simulation, which helped people understand what many in Northeast Wisconsin are going through.
I think that this situation will reframe that for people and give them some information that helps them understand that many people in our community are just a paycheck away from needing some of the kind of support that lower resource and poor people in our community need.
Each group participating in the simulation received a packet that included family information, as well as fake names, social security cards, money, and transportation tickets. They then went around different stations trying to simulate what it's like for a family experiencing poverty.
Everybody's struggling, and it'll get better eventually.
Joseph Chavors is another who experienced financial hardships when he was going through legal issues. Now he aims to help others in need. The main message he and Cadena want to share to people is stay positive even though times are tough.
Do so much of life, set goals for yourself, stay positive, and just try to do the best thing you can.
I see people who are desperate, but I also see people who are appreciative, that are grateful for the help that they get. Of course there's some that aren't, but that's anywhere you go.
Keeping you connected, Ryan Curry, NBC.